Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to set up Temu or Shein price drop alerts. First of all, go ahead and ensure that your app like Temu has their notifications on. Now to do so, go ahead and tap on U option located at the bottom. Head to the setting option and you will find another option called notifications. Once you tap on it, go ahead and tap on this promotions option and you will be able to edit it from here, and make sure it is set to push notifications. Once you've done that, all the price drop alerts will be sent to you on your notification grid on your device. Now for Shein, head to your Shein app, then tap on your profile icon just like in the Temu. Now head to the setting option and you will find options like, and you will find another option called notification right over here in this setting. However, it is not shown in mine because I've yet to sign in and register. Now once I've done that, the notification option will be available to you just like in Temu, and all you have to do is set it to push notifications and the application will push you all these drop alerts notifications on your device notification grid. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.